Hi, today I'm reviewing Oppo A17 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So first we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. And after that we can see that the Google Discover is activated, that the Google Assistant is activated. And if you wanna use the power key button to turn off your device, you should first open the settings application. Scroll down to the system settings, click to the gestures and motion, and after that, tap to power button, click to press and hold the power key and switch Google Assistant, voice assistant to power menu. And now just by press and hold the power key, we can see here the power off menu, so we can restart the device and power it off. Just to turn it off, we should press, just hold and slide to the down this white dot. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.